I love you, sir. Get back here. Go to the festival park.
And the fruits and cows and meat. And so many cakes and desserts. And fruits and vegetables and slushies. And there's so many pictures in there. Teachers and
Clap your hands. Yes. Nice.